Documents turned in just before an oversight hearing. The Guam Memorial Hospital had a lot of explaining to do as senators questioned their hiring practices, questioning what could be missteps in their above-step hiring. Above-step recruitment, where government agencies hire applicants at a higher step or pay grade because of experience, qualifications, or because a position is hard to fill. But is GMH abusing this process? Healthcare Committee Chair Speaker Therese Terlahi pointing out how GMH may be stretching the definition of recruitment difficulty.
I want to see those petitions to see the justification of how these were difficult to find, right? And I did see at least one where there was more than one applicant. There were 4 qualified applicants, and yet it's still recruited above step, as if it's not difficult to find. There's 4 qualified applicants.
And then there's the issue and process GMH used to hire their marketing and communications director. The applicant asking for a $160,000 annual salary, but instead GMH hired her above step at step 7, earning $75,000 a year, not including benefits. And again, according to docs, GMH didn't have to go far to recruit because the hiring was done in-house, since the applicant was already working at GMH, having been hired at the hospital above step as a management analyst 4.
We needed someone to do more than just a PIO, so we used the management analyst position, and we upgraded it to then include a lot of the communications and media releases and media responses. We selected the best candidate, the best talented individual with the exceptional qualifications, again at an above step. So does that, are we wrong for doing that? I don't think so.
The speaker responding, something didn't seem right.
It just seems peculiar to me that we have the ending of a PIO and then we open a totally new position, higher salary, and then we recruit above step there to, I don't know. It's I can see why the media and some of the public have really questioned this. And unfortunately, yeah, I still want to look at the documents myself because I haven't received all of them.
Senators weren't the only ones in the dark, as GMH board member Sarah Thomas Netty Dog told the Health Committee the board doesn't know about hiring until after the fact. Netty Dog saying the board will likely revisit the 2008 policy that gives the GMH CEO the authority to recruit and hire above step.
She does report to us when these vacancies are filled. I would personally like to revisit the 2008 board action that was taken and revisit that and see how we can update it.
As for the oversight chair, the speaker also plans to look further into the hiring at GMH once she gets the information and documents she had requested but did not get.
We do have the documents, Madam Speaker. Unfortunately, our Xerox machine broke down. And so we ran out of time trying to get that Xerox machine working.
For Guam's News Network, Chris Barnett reports.